If you have not subscribed to my channel yet, click on the subscribe button below and tap on this bell icon to get notified whenever a new episode is out. And also subscribe to my Hindi channel. The link will be in the description below. Welcome to the CHAPPAN BHOG series of Chef Lall's kitchen, where I will be making more than 100 holy food of Lord Jagannath, also known as Mahaprasad. And today we are going to be making CHAKA ENDURI. So let's get started. So the ingredients we need are: take 1 cup of urad dal in 1 cup of rice and soak both of them in water for roughly about 3 to 4 hours. Then discard the water and with some fresh water blend to make a smooth paste. Then take some cloves in 1 black cardamom and make a powder of it, from which we need about 2 tablespoons of that. Then we will also need turmeric leaf or haldi patta. Then half a teaspoon of asafoetida or hing, half a cup of clarified butter or ghee, 1 cup of jaggery or gur, 1 cup of grated coconut, and a tablespoon of salt. Now in a large bowl, take all the urad dal and chawal paste, and to that add all the hing and half of the salt, and combine it really well, and set this aside for a moment. Now take a large pan which can hold all the milk, and to that first add all the ghee, followed by 1 liter of milk, which is roughly about 4 cups. Now bring this to boil on high flame, then reduce the flame to medium and keep the flame constant at this temperature, because we need to reduce the milk to a thick consistency. So as of now, it requires occasional stirring. When the quantity is almost half, then it requires continuous stirring. And if you have non-stick pan just like this, then it will be easy for you. So after some time, you will get something like this. And this is nothing but rabdi. But we need a thick consistency. So for that, keep stirring and keep reducing it. And when you reach at this stage, lower the flame to low, and we don't need to cook further. Just add the jaggery and the quarter teaspoon of salt and combine it really well with the reduced milk. Now take about 4 cups of milk in a pan and set the flame on high and bring that to boil first. Then after that, reduce the flame to medium, and to the milk add about 2 teaspoons of lemon juice and wait for a couple of minutes. What that will do, it will make Chena or cottage cheese. So in a couple of minutes you will see something like this. So at this stage, switch off the flame and take a bowl along with a cotton cloth. Place it on top of the bowl and if possible tie it or make some knots. Then gently pour the cottage cheese or Chena on top of it. So the cloth will collect it and the water will go down into the bowl, which we don't need. So once you get all the Chena, slowly pour some water on top of it. Now take the jaggery along with quarter cup of water in a pan and set the flame on medium and let all the gur dissolve completely. Then after that, add the clove and cardamom powder, a pinch of salt and about 2 tablespoons of ghee and mix it up really well. Then after that, add all the coconut, reduce the flame to low and coat them really well. And let it cook till all the moisture is gone, that is the water content, and the mixture becomes a little dry. Then to this, add about 1 cup of Chena along with 1 cup of Khoya. Then combine these really well and let it cook for roughly about a couple of minutes. Then switch off the flame and let it cool down. Then take a small bowl which can fit in the steamer. Then cut the turmeric leaf into strips and arrange them such that the base is fully covered. Then first put a layer of the urad dal chawal batter, and on top of that add the coconut stuffing, just a small amount. Then another layer of the urad dal batter and place it in a steamer. So to prepare the steamer, take some water and place it over high flame and keep the water level at 1/4 of the height. Now cover it and let it steam for roughly about 15 to 20 minutes, and it should be done. And that's it, one of the Mahaprasad, CHAKA ENDURI. So do try it at home and say your experience in the comment section below. If you have not subscribed to my channel yet, click on the subscribe button below and tap on this bell icon to get notified whenever a new episode is out. And also subscribe to my Hindi channel. The link will be in the description below.